Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete blog posts at Wix. Let's get started. So right now, let's head over to the blog option right here on the left sidebar. Then you should be able to see here the option for post. So click on the post right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see the post you have created on your Wix. So for this one, I have this. So just click on the three dots right here. Then click on this move to trash right here. Then click on Move to Trash again in order to confirm your action. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see that the post has been deleted and has been moved to trash. Once you have done that, you should be able to see them right here and they will be unpublished on your site. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete blog posts on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!